Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chev B. Make sure to subscribe down below. For today's video, we are about to style this wig from wigginshair.com, and I just want to show you guys what I got in my package. I got a wig band, I got a wig cap, and this is what the hair is looking like straight out of the package. Now this is their yaki straight V-part wig in 20 inches, and this is 150% density. Like the thickness with this hair almost got a 180, but girl, I could not have gone any fuller than this. This is super thick, and it also comes with the combs on the inside to attach, and also you already know the band on the inside to tighten it so that your wig could fit snug. Now don't mind my little braids, okay? I've had these braids in for a minute, okay, ever since my birthday. Like, yeah, they're looking rough, but never mind that. Now this is what the wig is looking like after I tighten it and cut the little attachment thing going on. So remember to cut that, because I know a lot of people sometimes don't know what to do with that, but you definitely should cut it to get that V-part look. So I'm just going to attach the combs where I need them to lay. So I'm doing a center part with this hair, and what I was going for was like a loose blown out wand curl type of natural look. I wanted it to look like it was my natural hair, that it's long and thick and got blown out. You know, we're gonna fake it till we make it, okay? And we want it to look natural. So I didn't want to force my hair into a silky straight texture. I wanted something to look as close to believable that it's my natural hair as possible. So I'm just adjusting everything, making sure that it's fitted. And also I wanted to flatten it a bit because the top was a little too high for my liking, especially since we're gonna wand curl this hair. We want it not to be too high up top. We still want to keep that kinky yaki texture, so I'm not going to do anything crazy, and I'm not gonna have my flat iron on high. I just needed the top to be a little bit more flat, so I'm just going in with a couple of run throughs and all of that. I won't be doing that much run on my natural hair, so I'm saving all of that for the actual wig. So now with my hair, I just washed that little center part. Okay, I didn't wash my whole head. I know, girl. Yeah, I was too lazy. You know, we do the lazy girl method over here. But don't forget your heat protectant, especially if you're gonna use heat. It doesn't matter if it's low heat, high heat. Make sure you got that heat protectant going. Okay, so I'm just gonna saturate that all through my hair. Then I'm gonna go in with my little blow dryer brush that I got on Amazon. It's in my Amazon store that I'll link down below so you guys could have that. Now I don't know if my eyesight is a bit lean or what, so I'm just trying to make sure that everything is centered with this hair, because every time I try to do a center part, it's always crooked. I don't know, girl. I don't know. So then I'm gonna go in with the, was I gonna say hot comb? I was gonna go in with the flat iron, and as you guys can see, I did one pass through. I don't need to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't need that silkiness. I just wanted it to be a little bit more flat and also to blend better with the wig. So this is what the hair is looking like. She is giving blown out goddess, luscious, kinky greatness. Okay, she's beautiful. So the style that I'm gonna go in with this, instead of just leaving it as is, I wanted some braids in the front. So I'm gonna try my hand at doing some braids. You guys know I've been a beginner braider for the last all years of my life. All 28 years of my life, I've been at the beginning stages of braiding. I've gotten better over the years, okay? Like, this could have been way worse, but it's coming a lot, okay? Especially with the nails. I did that, like, don't even front. So I just sped up this process to show you guys what I did, because it's nothing special, honestly. And then I'm gonna go in with this wand iron that I got on Amazon. Like, Amazon is my best friend. So we're just gonna create some curls. And girl, listen, use that little glove that they give you in your package for your wand iron, because I burnt myself. I got a burn on my hand because I was like, oh yeah, you know, I'm a professional at this point. I've been doing this for 5 years with this channel. Like, this is nothing new, but girl, rookie mistake. I held the iron so awkwardly and burnt myself. I got a little scar on my hand right now. Like, please wear that little glove. It makes your life way easier. Now once everything is all curled up and nice, and this hair held the curls so nicely, like, it's not gonna be that super hole, but once you have those little curls in, like, that stayed in all day. I'm just going to take an elastic band to tie the hair in the back with the braids, and then just fluff it out. Like, I wasn't trying to be too anal with the top being poofy, because I mean, if it was really my natural hair and it was this thick, like, you expect poofiness. So I'm trying to like relax with it. Like, girl, like, it's okay to have a little hump back there, you know what I'm saying? Like, nothing too crazy, but it's okay. So I'm going to go in with a bit of edge control. Now, don't go too crazy with the edge control, because you don't want it to look like two different types of texture, and you don't want your hair to reverting in the front and then the middle is all straightened a bit. So just use a little bit, just to, you know, if you want it to look a little bit more neat. And that is basically it for the look. Like, let me know what you guys think. This is 150%. Like, this is thick. Okay, and I got this in 20 inches. The link will be down below for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok at damnthatschev. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.